Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the Grimace shake full guide. Gather 2 cups frozen berries, 1 cup vanilla ice cream, half a cup milk, purple food coloring, and your blender, then add a sweetener if desired. Pulse until smooth, taste, and adjust thickness with more milk or ice cream, and reserve garnish for the top to create a playful purple presentation everyone will love. Begin by pulsing the frozen fruit and ice cream briefly to break up large chunks, then blend on high until smooth. Use short bursts to preserve coldness and prevent separation, scraping the jar once to ensure even mixing, and add milk gradually to reach your desired thickness, tasting as you go and adjusting sweetness or color for the perfect Grimace purple, ready to pour into a chilled glass with a fun garnish on top. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, perfect for quick kitchen cleanups after making shakes. I find it hilarious to have a robot tidy while I taste test. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For a memorable presentation, chill your serving glass briefly, then drizzle syrup inside for a swirl before pouring the shake slowly. Top with whipped cream, colorful sprinkles, or a cherry to enhance the playful look, and consider a fun straw or small toy as a prop. Serving immediately so texture stays creamy, and encourage guests to stir gently to mix any settling color for the best tasting experience and visual appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.